For over 4 decades, we haven't just built real estate, we have built trust. From roads to houses, our portfolio reflects purpose, precision, and progress. Built for tomorrow, sustainable, smart, and ready for the future. And at the heart of everything, our customer-first philosophy. Introducing Courtyard 2, a premium community where your future has room to grow. Located in Sector 95A, just 2 minutes from Dwarka Expressway, 20 minutes from IGI Airport, 8 minutes from Sultanpur National Park, 9 minutes from Western Peripheral Expressway, 10 minutes from IMT Manesar. Convenience begins at your doorstep. Start your day with birdsong, gentle breezes, and sunlight through the trees. Choose from thoughtfully sized spaces, ideal for expansive homes, private gardens, and a life without compromise. At the heart of Courtyard 2 lies its fully functional clubhouse, complete with a modern gym, library, co-working spaces, rooftop deck, yoga and dance studio, and a multi-purpose hall that brings community together. From weekend basketball matches to serene swims and amphitheater, Courtyard 2 offers amenities that cater to every lifestyle. Enjoy 100% power backup because comfort should never switch off. With dedicated EV charging stations, your home is ready for the road ahead. Live greener with rainwater harvesting, jogging tracks, pet parks, and landscape serenity all around you. With over 40 years of excellence and a reputation for quality, Roots Developers is a name you can trust. This isn't just a space, it's a community where life flows with nature. Roots Courtyard 2, where life finds its foundation. Book now.